You can see this is a paste black and silver color combination. This is a yellow, black, blue and silver color combination. This nice realistic model plastic racing car. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have a full box of toys here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will introduce with you all of these one by one. Let's go. Wow friends, at first is a 911 police helicopter. See, this is a realistic model plastic police helicopter. Here is a white, blue and black color combination. This nice and big size police helicopter. So I collect this one at my side here. Next one is here another police vehicle. This is a police jeep. Here is a yellow, blue, black and orange color combination. This nice police jeep. So I collect this one also my side here. And now I take a Sakib cover van. This is a yellow, black, blue and silver color combination. This nice Sakib cover van. And this is a realistic model Sakib cover van. You can see here many Motu Patlu sticker. Wow. Oh friends, here is a power Beku. This is a realistic model plastic power Beku. Here is a yellow and black color combination. So I collect this one here. And next one is here one more police vehicle. This is a police car. See this cartoony model police car. Here is a yellow, paste and a green color combination. This nice police car. And now I take a DS Tarzan car. This is a very nice and realistic model plastic Tarzan car. You can see this is a paste black and silver color combination. This nice realistic model plastic DS Tarzan car. Oh, here is a sports car. See, this is sports car. This is a black, yellow and a red color combination. This nice sports car. This is a very nice and beautiful model sports car. Oh, here is a drum truck. This is a pink, yellow, black and red color combination. This realistic model plastic drum truck. So I collect this one at my side here. And now I take a speedboard. This is yellow, white, black and red color combination. This nice speedboard. This is a very nice and realistic model speedboard. And this one is a cartoony model helicopter. You can see this helicopter. This is a pink and purple color combination. This cartoony model helicopter. And now I take a racing car. This racing car is a red, black and silver color combination. This nice realistic model plastic racing car. Oh friends, here is a cartoony police car. This is a green, black and silver color combination. This nice cartoony model police car. Oh. And now I take a cartoony model elephant car. This is a red and yellow color combination. This cartoony model elephant car is a very funny toy. And next one is here a police bike with a police. This is a blue and white color combination. This nice cartoony model police bike. And next one is here a toy gun. This is a green and pink color combination. This nice toy gun. Wow. And this one is a horse with alien. This is paste and pink color combination. This nice horse with alien. And next one is a Feluda with a power Beku. This is yellow, black and silver color combination. This nice power Beku with a Feluda. Oh, friends, you can see this is a two-in-one. Here is a robot with a car. Oh, this is very nice. Yellow and black color combination. This nice car with a robot. And this is the last one is a taxi car. This is a orange and paste color combination. This nice cartoony model taxi car. I also collect this one here. So friends, one by one all of these toys introduced with you, and you can see this bucket is empty. So friends, all are together here. So I will ending my video now, and you must waiting for next video. Tata, bye bye.